Bright and bold is the theme of our next look. Traditional inspired fabrics keep with the Japanese fabric inspired theme, but they're combined with puff sleeves and a cute skirt to catch the look of every eye.
I'm giving it back.
The next one-piece dress was gorgeously inspired by the roses that are prominent in every garden. The construction is loosely based off Victorian gowns, creating a wonderful mood with a cute modern twist. The finishing touches a bonnet to shade your beautiful face from the hard sun. Next up, we have Asia modeling a gorgeous dress that any princess would be proud to wear. This dress involves a beautiful bustle back, and it combines it with a lovely floral print for a garden tea party twist. White is a traditional color worn by every bride, and every bride should be as beautiful as a flower. This one piece is speechless and stunning as it is a bridal Lolita gown. It is hand embroidered and hand beaded by the designer herself.
Yeah, it's cute.
Next up, we have our collection called Carlifornia, made by Carly Breslin. Carlifornia specializes in Gothic Lolita and pop culture clothing. Presently, her fashions can be seen in the latest issue of Heavy Metal magazine and Tokyo Pop's Princess Ai manga. First up, we have a Care Bear kawaii outfit. The Sweet Berry Prey dress is an upcycled Care Bear's bedsheet and features a romantic back with lace. Cool girls have cool style, and Kogal are the coolest of them all. This Gyaru-inspired kimono is a fun mix of East and West. The kimono is cut short to show some leg and features a fun yet colorful comic book print. Next up is a gorgeous aristocratic explorer ensemble. This elegant Gothic Lolita look features a charming Rococo nautical print. The bolero and fishtail skirt are accented with fine Venetian lace.
Oh, see the flash. Jeez.
My flash is blinding you right now.
Oh. I don't see it.
You don't see it?
It's more peripheral. I mean, Macy's, I don't know. Oh, I like.
Next up, we have a charming steampunk-inspired outfit. It can be worn in Lolita or Cadona style and features an adjustable bustle and a corseted top for a sweet steampunk inspiration.
That one's cool.
We Love the Showa Era is the last ensemble in this collection by Carlifornia. It features a lovely silk kimono from the early 60s. The museum quality of the piece is reminiscent of the old samurai movies with a traditional design, yet modern colors. And that's the end of California's collection. Next up, we have the Classic Beauty Sweet Summer collection from Evangelina of Miss Pretty. This first look is sweet and simple. It features a knee-length pink skirt with pickups to show a frilly white underskirt, perfect for playful summer Lolita days. Next up, we have Jamie wearing the sweet summer floral print. This frilly sheared skirt fits all sizes, and it has a detachable bodice with a ribbon halter neck. It's easy to wear and perfect weight for summer and fall. Next up, we have Miss Pretty's take on old school Lolita. Deep blue sturdy fabric makes the white lace really stand out and complements the matching belt. It's an easy old school Lolita look that you could wear anywhere, updated for today. Next up, we have Miss Pretty herself wearing the golden floral print. It's perfect from summer to winter. This high-waisted dress features a chiffon underskirt, and the gold in the print matches the gold of the attached cameo on the belt.